You guys, I have no idea. I've used this and used this, why my face is so big. I don't know why it's not going. Class, everyone. Today we're going to be talking about responding with multimedia. In our lesson today, you can see from the agenda that we are doing 3 different things. We're going to first start off with our learning log activity. We're going to use some of the resources in our Canvas lesson that connect to how to create videos. And so if you click on the link for the resource that you find in your instructions for today's Canvas lesson, you will find this program, and it will allow you to record yourself talking over a slide.